Got a little bit more to go. Should come straight off. That's there we go. All right, we done. I might keep these. I'm gonna keep these white tabs though, because I think I lost mine off the Vic. But yeah, as far as the window goes, I can put it in, and that's what we doing. I'm about to go put my Cutlass in the storage, and then I'll be back to put this in. Y'all tune in. Man, I got my car coming on in the stores, man. Got me a store so I can go ahead and do some work on it and be out the way, man. It's my own little garage right here, and I got power. Yeah, but here we go. I'm in your damn way in. My boy about to go ahead and put it up in there. Look like you're gonna go straight in that motherfucker. Yep. Watch the corner right here. Okay, bet. Yeah, my boy right there, man. I always use his name JR, man. And I got a good deal on my stores, man. I should have been did this. My shit would have been finished, bro. My shit would have been finished. Oh! You about to hit your side, Renee? You got an extra space on this side. He almost hit his thing right there. Say, turn the wheel.
You got key with you?
Yeah. Oh, you gonna hit your wall. Oh, oh. Yeah, it's like, if you push it back in, you extended it out, ain't it? You can't push it back in some, and then cut your wheel hard and then let it out. Oh, okay. All right. Woo, woo, woo. Yes, drop my baby. Should I turn the wheel? Should I turn the wheel straight?
Yeah, you try to do straight back out, but I got to drop it out.
All right, bet. Oh, glass in this motherfucker though. They ain't clean this motherfucker out. Got my car in the garage, man. Finally did it. Finally did it. What he about to do is push it back. Well, push it up some so we can come all the way in. Hey, bro, you good? I ain't worried about none of that. All that shit coming from under there anyway. You ain't got to be too careful with it. Yeah, we good. Drop the baby low. Them little ass tires I got on this motherfucker. Them tires little as hell. I had got them out the junkyard yesterday.